Which are the priorities and perspectives of the EU energy policy to support combined heat and power development?
For our energy policy, heat and power is a perfect illustration of the joined up thinking that we need in the energy system. Energy today in Europe, we have to remember why we need energy. What do we use it for? We use it for three very important services for us as consumers, as citizens, and ultimately for our economy. Heat and power, heating and cooling in spaces particularly, for transport and for power, running our computers and whatever. And when we think of the energy system, we must keep those services to the fore, because our challenge is how do we achieve those services with the most efficient use of energy, which ultimately keeps the cost down, and how can we ensure that we get an integration across all of our energy structures, production, transmission, consumption, so that we minimise the excessive amount of infrastructure and other investment that we need to do. And combined heat and power comes exactly at the crossroads of all of those. So it's for us, it's a fundamental part of our policy.
And what about power production from biogas?
Power from production from biogas, as you know, it's very well, first of all, it's renewable, so we're very much in favour of it. That's for clear. We are also obviously very clear as to what the input fuel, input raw material, if I could say, is that would be used in order to produce the biogas. The advantage of biogas is A, it's renewable, but B, it's directly substitutable. So you don't have to buy new boilers, maybe some small adjustment, but you don't have to go out and change your whole system. And we have, one of the things that we have to think about is we have invested huge sums of money in our energy system, in the networks for electricity, the networks for gas, the networks for thermal, particularly district heating systems. And it doesn't make any sense to walk away from that investment. We need to use that investment and get the best out of it. So I think biogas fits very much in that context.